Hi everybody, I'm Anjala Kumar, Femina Miss India Chhattisgarh 2020 and top 50 national finalist. I'm from Aura Talents. Besides being a model, I'm also the title holder for 2020 and 21. So let's get started with my skincare routine. I get many questions regarding it and today I'm going to show you unfiltered skincare routine of me. This helps me a lot for shoots as well as it helped me for the pageant. To have a clear skin without makeup is very important. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to begin with cleaning my skin. Right now, I have nothing on besides a little bit of blush. So I'll show you how important it is to clear your skin using wet wipes and a micellar, which is any makeup remover. So it's very important to know your skin type and to just have a little bit of makeup remover on the wet wipe and always clear your face in an upward direction. Never do it on a downward direction. This will help prevent wrinkles and you will be able to clean your skin properly. What happens many of the times, models sleep with their makeup on, which only leads to blocked pores, which leads to acne, pimples, and the appearance of wrinkles appears sooner than their age time when it should. So once we've cleared our skin, we need to wash the face so that any of the dirt and pollution that is on your skin and hasn't been removed by this, I'll just show you. So this is the blush that I was applying, otherwise it's natural skin. So now I'm going to wash my face. You can use any face wash that suits your skin. Again, circular motion, and make sure to scrub your skin while washing your face as well. Be very gentle with the area around your eyes because it is a very sensitive area and the skin is very thin. Now I'm going to wash it. So now once I've washed my skin, I'm going to use a scrub. I have a very oily plus it's like oily combo skin. So I like to use scrubs that have granules in it. So I'm using a walnut scrub which will remove all the dirt and blackheads that I have. So again, circular motion. Be very sure that you are using your T-zone, you are scrubbing on your T-zone as well. So you should do this for at least 2 minutes. And if you have an oily skin, use a scrub 3 times a week. So now nose, check. Chin, check. Forehead, and the areas around your cheek and cheekbone. So we are done with the scrub and now I'm gonna wash it off. So now I've removed the scrub, I've washed my face once again. Now you can do your face wash and then scrub or vice versa. Now I'm going to use a toner to hydrate. Just apply a generous amount on your face. And let it air dry. Don't pat it. And don't worry if you don't have a spray. You can just apply a little bit of rose water on cotton and dab it on your face and let it air dry. Now, coming to the final step, which is moisturizing your skin. What we feel that moisturizing is not important, you are wrong. It is one of the most important steps. And make sure that you rub your palms and you activate the ingredients in the moisturizer before applying it. If you're not doing that, let me tell you that you've been doing it wrong your whole life. So once it's done, again, upward motion. You want to lift your skin up and that is why I'm telling you to do it in an upward motion. So your skin would be healthy and it would be uplifted as well. So now I've moisturized my face. Don't forget your neck. All these steps should be followed on your neck as well. Again in an upward motion. And now we are ready with a flawless clear skin. Stay tuned.